Okay, here we are at the casino, Golden Dragon. It's also a hotel. So go see both parts. But we're just gonna kind of walk around the perimeter part and kind of check it all out and show you what it's all about. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are, Casino Dragon, Golden Dragon. So we're gonna kind of walk around in there a little bit, but we'll just kind of show you what else is around here. Bus stops, tourists, this kind of stuff. Some park, some kind. Then up there, there's Gia Hill and Gia Lighthouse. And something called the Crazy Happy Show, and also 18 Sauna. So I think this area there's a lot more things related to sex, because I also saw, I did another video just before this one. Here's where we were for references points, I guess. I did another video right over there, which is Casa Real, right there. And then inside I saw like a bunch of massage places were everywhere. There's another sign over there called East Sauna. This one is 18 Sauna. And then there was also a bunch of sex shops. So they were over there in yellow. And then as I was kind of going through some of those areas, people were kind of hiding from me a little bit, because they'd see that I had the camera out. So yeah, the 18 Sauna, in case you don't really know, saunas are basically like prostitution, basically. Legal. Just for references, straight ahead is Fisherman's Wharf. So that little bridge right over there, there's a footbridge that goes to Fisherman's Wharf. There's a little bit of a bar thing right here. Panini. So we're gonna, what I want to do is kind of go right into the middle of it. And let's see what we can see. Is this the middle? Yeah. So Casino Golden Dragon. I guess that's the lobby, maybe. And that little thing, I just yesterday I saw a cat on a bridge that was dead, and I'm wondering if it was in somebody's car and it jumped out, or somebody pushed it out, or was it trying to cross the bridge. But I just saw that little fluffy thing that you might have saw too. It looked like, reminded me of a cat a little bit. That's the sauna right there. So they keep it clean. I'm gonna walk out like this. And over here, there's a karaoke bar called Legend. It's all these different languages. I guess those all mean legend. Alenda, La Legenda. Chao Sao, it's in Korean. Huh. There's a bunch of Russian as well down there. That's a sauna right there. Actually, I guess that's a chain. Every time I see those foot things, it's kind of like sauna. No, sorry, not a sauna, massage place. It's a restaurant. Looks like that restaurant's probably only open at nighttime. So we're kind of going through the middle of, we actually have some apartments up here too. So I guess people also have residences here. I believe over there, I think is Sands Casino, I think. We'll find out in a minute. Clothing shop right there. Avenida de Marciano Baptista. The street actually has its own, what looks like an alley, actually has its own street name right there. It's interesting. There's a better view of Gia Lighthouse. And there's the Sands Casino, and then Fisherman's Wharf is right over there. Grand Lapa Hotel is over there. Yeah, this one is, I guess it just has that place called Legend in it. There's a public bathroom to the right there. Not quite as much. The other one had like kind of a labyrinth of like shops. This one looks like it's a little bit different. Yeah, straight ahead is Sands Casino. Fisherman's Wharf is over there too. Got the karaoke one. So yeah. So this one is Golden Dragon. So I guess that looks pretty tasty right there. Like something I would eat. Spicy too. It's like Sichuan food. Probably is. – 24 hours. So that I think all the 24-hour stuff I think are saunas. Yeah, it is. So it's entrance into the apartment, into residential apartment. And you got Sunsco. You got a supermarket right here too. And a little place to eat. Okay. Go into the shade a little bit. So that's Fisherman's Wharf on to the right side. You can keep on strolling down a little bit further. So yeah, this is basically the Golden Dragon Casino and Hotel. And we're kind of coming back to Huda Malacca. And then the other video we did, which was that one, there's another karaoke over there, and then Casa Real. That square is a little bit different than this one. This one seems a lot lighter. The other one has a lot more, ton more. There's a bunch of sex shops in there, and there's also a bunch of massage places too. Let's go down a little bit further. Hotel Golden Dragon. So this is the entrance part right here. Looks like maybe where employees are at. So I think all the workers come in here. So I think they go here. Some restaurants, parking. Okay. So I think we're gonna step out a little bit. They're gonna close it. Let's just kind of go back because I can see another entrance right here. Casino Golden Dragon. And you also have the crazy sex show or something like that. So I guess there's actually an 18 sauna. So there's like a sauna in this one and some massage places. And then over there you got another kind of similar hotel, a bunch of residential apartments too. Okay, anyways, let's just end this one right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.